In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Uber Eats gift card. First, before you can pay with an Uber Eats gift card, you must redeem it to your Uber Cash balance. This is an essential step because it ensures that your gift card funds are readily available for your orders. To start, open the Uber Eats app on your device. The app should display the home screen, showing various restaurant options and promotions. This is the central hub for your ordering experience. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of the app can often resolve minor glitches. Next, tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. This section holds important information about your account and settings. After tapping on Account, you will see various options related to your profile and preferences. This is where you manage your payment methods, delivery addresses, and more. It is important to familiarize yourself with this section, as it is the gateway to customizing your Uber Eats experience. From there, tap on Wallet. This is where you can view your current balance and payment methods. A well-organized wallet ensures you can quickly access your funds and payment options. You will appreciate having all your payment information in one place. It saves you time during checkout, allowing you to focus on selecting your favorite meals. Now, tap on Add Payment Method. This option enables you to link new payment methods to your account. In this case, you are going to add your gift card. It is crucial to add your gift card correctly to avoid any issues during checkout. After tapping this option, the app will prompt you to choose the type of payment method you wish to add. Next, tap Gift Card. This selection specifically allows you to enter your gift card details. You will see a new screen prompting you to enter the gift card code. Make sure to enter your gift card code without any spaces. This step is vital because even a small mistake can result in an invalid code. If you are unsure about your code, double-check it to ensure accuracy. Once you have entered the code, tap Save or Add. Your gift card balance will now be added to your Uber Cash. This confirms that your funds are available for future orders. It is reassuring to know that your gift card has been successfully redeemed and you are all set to use it. You will see a confirmation message indicating the amount added to your balance, which is a nice touch to verify the transaction. Now, let's move on to the next phase, paying with your gift card. To do this, start by adding items to your cart and then tap Checkout. This is where you finalize your order, so take a moment to review your selections. Ensure that you are happy with your choices before proceeding. You can always go back if you need to make changes. If you have multiple payment methods linked to your account, tap Payment Method. This option allows you to choose how you want to pay for your order. It's a good practice to check this section to ensure that your preferred payment method is selected. If you see that Uber Cash is not already selected, it's time to change that. Select Uber Cash, which represents your gift card balance. This step is important because it ensures that your gift card funds are utilized first for your order. Once you have confirmed that Uber Cash is selected, you can confidently place your order. Finally, when you place your order, Uber Eats will use your gift card balance first. If your order total exceeds your gift card balance, the remaining amount will be charged to your backup payment method. This seamless process makes it easy to use your gift card without any hassles. Remember, Uber gift cards can only be used in the country where they were purchased. Also, once redeemed, they cannot be transferred to another account. This knowledge helps you manage your gift cards effectively. Enjoy your meal.